So starting off the video, I'm going to be covering this cake with blue whipped cream. This cake is actually in whipped cream. So let's just cover this cake in blue. Is it a blue? Is it blue? Light blue, kind of. Light blue with whipped cream. Firstly, cover it in light blue whipped cream. Okay. So we'll freeze it for about it is frozen actually. Put it in your freezer. So just freeze it for like I think I'm gonna do it for 2 hours. It is properly frozen. Then I'll bring it out and continue working on it with the second color. By then, this blue should be frozen thick, and even if you scrape it off, it's not gonna come off. So just give your board a bit of cleaning. So coming back, I have 2 colors of whipped cream with me here. I have the pink one and the I think very light shade of purple. So what I'll be doing is I'll just be using this small spatula, and I will be covering the cake slightly with it. With more of the blue tone to it. So I will just clean my spatula, then I'll try and as much as possible to smoothen the top. Okay, bringing my rag closer. So you wipe and you clean, make sure it's spotless, and you okay. So basically I'm just making sure my edges have the sharp edge I'm looking for. Once that is achieved, I'll just quickly smoothen the inner part the best way I can. Okay, so this being that, I'm just going to treat inside the freezer and allow it to freeze a bit. Yeah, I think that's it. So yeah, it's out of the freezer now, and it has been there for like, let's see, I think since yesterday. This is the next day. So from that particular moment, so I'll just add some pink this into the top, some pink icing to the top. Okay. Up to the bottom. Just giving it a touch here and there. It's like the final stage, guys, just to solidify the design. So I'll script now. Okay. Okay. Go again. Just giving this some final scrapes and yeah, basically this is it. We're gonna leave it like this. And yeah, basically, so put it back in the freezer and allow it to set for some time, and we'll just come back with our toppings.